guys, how you doing? Up at the festival site for MilkLand at the minute. It's a bit windy. We were intending on putting up a drone today. However, the 27-mile-an-hour winds is not going to permit that. Inside we have some really good stuff happening. A new stage being built and the area's been boarded up and stuff. So yeah, let's try and we'll have a look. This is going to be our undercover area at MilkLand. So as you can see, there's some action and work happening at the minute. The stage has been built there. It's been built for our event, and we've requested some changes. The guys have put up some metal beaming here. Some metal beams are going to get cut down at the minute, so we can have our stage production up there. So what we're going to do is we're going to stage build this part. In actual fact, we're going to move the stage. It's going to come over behind us here. The reason being is for perspective on the actual event and lighting. So you get plenty of decorations up in the middle here, so things are uniform, as opposed to going against the kind of, having beams in the middle of the stage and stuff. So yes, the stage is going to be moved from this area to behind us, which is happening today. It's going to be pretty negative here. As you can see, guys, at the minute we have lots of things going on. Guys are just panning off the side there. Lots of things happening in a minute. There's our mat there. Awesome. Setting up some plans, getting things done. Big area behind us here, channeled area. I'll take you in there in a minute. That's going to be where the MilkLand standard van is with the Function 1 sound system. It's an absolutely glorious day up here today as well, which is nice. I'm feeling a bit blessed. It's lovely. I'll take you down and show you this. There's quite a lot of shit here at the minute, so we are going to have this moved. It's going to be cleaned up, and we'll get quite a little bit of theme production get in there. Here's Ramsey with our drone, getting some drone footage today at the site. Very windy though. Very, very windy. It's a good way to dust the floor, that actually, isn't it? Bughill farm. This is where the MilkLand Festival is. Lots of work happening inside, lovely day today. Up here with a few of the guys. I've tried to put up a drone today, however the wind is gusting it. So I was taking it silly drone. Behind me is going to be the there's quite a lot of shit here at the minute, so we are going to have this moved. It's going to be cleaned up.